Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss how can you use assign chat component for chat assignment on the BotPenguin platform. The assign chat component in BotPenguin is used to route chats to specific team members or groups. To access the assign chat component, you have to log in to your BotPenguin account. Once you log in, you will land on this page. On the left hand side, you'll find different options. You have to select the bot in which you want to use the chat component. I am selecting this bot for the demo purpose. Then you have to go to the edit your chat flow section. And then you have to select the flow in which you want to add the chat component. This is the edit your chat flow canvas where you can create or reorder your chat flow. On the left hand side, you'll find the list of all the components that you can add, and you'll find the assign chat component in the trigger action section. To add it into your chat flow, you have to simply tap on it. Then you can drag and drop the assign chat component into your chatbot flow. You can place it in the flow where you want to assign the conversation to a specific user or team. From here, you can configure the assign chat component settings. You can select if you want to assign by a department or team member. The department option will assign the chat to a department or a group. The list of all the departments that you have created will be shown here in this select department option. I have just created this department for now, so I am selecting this only. You can add department or team members in the team section of the BotPenguin. If you want to learn about it in detail, I'll give the video link in the description box below. You can check it out. BotPenguin currently follows the round robin method for assigning chats to a specific department. And in case you want to select a specific team member, you can just select the team members option. And here you have to select the name of the team member whom you want to assign this chat. You will also find these additional filters here. You can select if you do not want to assign the chats to offline users. And you can also select if you want to assign the chat only in the business hours. Using the assign chat component, you can assign the chats based on the type of query. For example, if the bot asks, "What do you need help with?" and if the user replies technical support, then you can assign this chat to the tech team. And if the user replies billing, then you can assign the chat to the billing department. So this way, by using the assign chat component, you can ensure that conversations are directed to the right person or team. So that was all about how you can use the assign chat component on the BotPenguin platform. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.